Hey everyone, this is Nate over at Studio 2108, and today I want to share with you the Mindnode plugin program. It's a little something we wrote at the shop to kind of speed up the development of a new WordPress site. You don't get a whole lot of gain from a 5 or 6 page site, but some of the sites, when you get into 30 or 40 pages, can get real time consuming to put together through the interface. So, we've leveraged this wonderful piece of software called Mindnode. And this is free on the App Store. There's a pro version as well, or you can go to mindnode.com to download it. So the idea here is we have interns come in and we say, okay, well, we need to do a site map. So you do something like this. You'd say mysite.com, and we'll go ahead and give it a gallery, and we'll give it an about, and we'll give that I don't know, a contact page. How about that? Contact. And we'll say we need to contact. We'll contact me. We'll contact Wayne. So we each have our own pages. Brilliant. And then in the gallery page, we'll go ahead. We'll have some new school art, and we'll have some old school. We'll have some street, and we'll have some abstract. Alright, so there we go. That's the sitemap for our website. So what we're going to do now is take this and we're going to move it into WordPress, a brand new WordPress site. Now, a quick word of warning that this is for brand new WordPress sites. Don't go using this on a site with content because it'll delete everything. With that said, let's move forward. So the site title, we'll call this Mindnode Test, admin, put in a password, and then your email address, and we'll go ahead and create our new self-hosted WordPress site. Yep, we'll allow all that. We'll log into it. And here we go. Okay, here's our WordPress site from scratch. Pretty much nothing going on here. Alright, so instead of doing everything through the page interface, going to add a page and such, we're going to use the Mindnode plugin to speed things up. So go to plugins. By the time you see this, you may be able to just type in Mindnode to find this plugin. I had the request stuff going through at wordpress.com, but for now you can download it from the site. So I have it pre-installed here. So plugins, here's the Mindnode Foundation Builder. We'll activate that, and that's going to add this Mindnode menu down at the bottom. We'll click that guy, and that's for a file. So from here, what we want to do is go back to our Mindnode, make sure we get it all nice. And this format's kind of important. You want to have it look something like that. You don't really want it like that. You want it like this, in the order that you want to see them show up on the site. So File, Export. Where it says File Format, you want to go to OPML format. And we're going to save that to the desktop. So back in our Mindnode Foundation Builder plugin page, we're going to choose File. We're going to choose the file we just exported. Click Open. And we're going to click Build Foundation. When it works, you'll see this message at the top of the screen. Not the most elegant thing. You guys can extend it out later if you like, but that works for me. So back to our site now. We're going to reload this and see that when this happens, we now have our sitemap in place. So a page has been created for each of these entries. Now, the one thing you want to do is, before messing around with it, you want to make sure your permalinks are set up. So custom structure, I like to go with category post name. We'll go ahead and save that. Once that's set up, we'll go back here, we'll reload the page. Notice it says not found. What this plugin will do is wipe out the entire WP post table and just basically clear everything out and recreate a new sitemap for you. So as you can see, where it says gallery, new school, old school, here it is, gallery, new school, old school. Go ahead and click one. This little hashtag placeholder goes in place. So, I mean, it's pretty straightforward stuff here. The contact page, Nate and Wayne. Let's say you want to redo it or extend it out. Go ahead and delete this. Let's make sure our abstract artwork comes first. Oh, we'll move street up here, and then we'll just put Wayne here, and we'll put Nate there. So File, Export, OPML format. We're just going to save over our old file, and replace it, and come back to WordPress, and we'll go back to our plugin. We'll choose the file, OPML, open, build the foundation. A little message comes up here, and we'll go ahead and reload it. And as you can see, now it's abstract up top, contacts Wayne's up top. So really, it's whatever you see visually on the left, you import, it shows up on the right. I hope this is helpful to you guys. We use it all the time and find it very handy for building out large sites. I've tested this up to about 135 pages, going about 5 submenus deep. It works very well. You can even put strange characters in it. I don't recommend it. You know, There's no real reason to, but it can handle a lot of that. And another thing to watch out for is don't go making two sets of galleries on the same level. Not that you would, but don't do that. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.